Good morning again, guys. I know the April Fools wasn't that good yesterday, but I think someone's played an April Fools on us because look. I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning to be literally leave for work and get a lift from mum and dad, but we can't get anywhere with the car. And the trams are Sunday service, so the first ones aren't until like 9 o'clock. So I had to ring up work and tell them I'm going to be late. Like an hour's late just because I couldn't get a tram at all until now. So hopefully I can get there by 10 and hopefully the trams are running on time. But this is just ridiculous how it's the 2nd of April and it's snowing and look how deep it is. Like, it's generally shoe deep. But it's just stupid. I did have plans tonight, but I don't think I'm going to bother now because I don't know how long this is going to last. I have been told it's supposed to start stopping. Oh, that makes no sense. It's supposed to stop very shortly and then stop raining, but I don't know when that's going to even happen. But for the time being, I'm going to cancel my plans for tonight and just get to work, get it done, and then get home. Just get out of the weather. So yeah, for now I'm going to try and see if I can get to work on time. So technically an hour later than I should be, but on time from what I've told them. So yeah, let's see if the tram's turn up. And I nearly fell over then, and I'll see you guys if I get to work. I'll get close to work. I think if I just can get to town, I should be okay, because I reckon a lot's gritted away from like here. Apart from these roads, I'll just show you before I actually run for the tram. These roads are bus route roads, and one's a main road. And look, they've even been gritted. They're all main roads, not one's been gritted. So yeah, we'll see what it's like. But I don't think anyone prepared for this. But let's see if I can make it to. Well, I'm finally at work and it stopped snowing, but it's raining and dried it up and flooded everything. Look how bad the floor is. My shoes are getting soaked, but I will see you guys in like 5-6 hours time once I finish. Hopefully it's all melted by then and dried up a little bit, because I'm glad I brought these, but I really wish I put my boots on now because my feet are absolutely drenched. Hey guys, I've finished what has been one hell of a crazy busy bank holiday. But on the upside, the snow has disappeared and it's just raining. It's all it's been doing all afternoon is raining. So no wonder we've been just absolutely battered all day. But I think I don't know if I did mention this morning, but I was going to go for a drink tonight. I still am, but we're just going to Sheffield instead. I have a couple because I definitely just need one after that shift. Why is the camera? Sorry, the camera's out of focus. That's better, sorry. Yeah, I definitely need one after today. So I'm going to meet Gareth now in town, have a couple of drinks, head home and just chill out for the rest of the night and tomorrow, since I haven't got work, because I need a well-deserved rest of today. Literally non-stop for 7 hours straight, which I haven't stopped since 10 o'clock this morning. So it's been horrible. But at least I've got 2 days off, so there is an upside. But yeah, for now, I need to hurry up and get into town because I said to Gareth I'm meeting and I'm nearly late. I need to be there in about 15 minutes, so I'm kind of rushing. So hopefully the tram's here and I'll literally get there exact same time as Gareth would. Oh, and I also need to get a t-shirt because I didn't bring a spare clothes yesterday, but I took them out of the bag this morning with weather. So I'm just going to get a spare t-shirt because I'm all sweaty. So now I regret taking my stuff out of my bag. You're proper zoomed in. Alright, I've gained the hiccups so I can't get rid of them. See? I'm not going to do it again now.
Natural selection.
Now the camera's out, I'm not going to hiccup again.
You need to film a few.
I can't get rid of the hiccups. Alright, Gary's best way to get rid of hiccups is to hold my nose and hold my breath.
When you feel the hiccup coming, just hold it.
It's not happening. I can't get rid of it. Well, Gary's just gone on the NHS website and it says to swallow vinegar.
Don't drink alcohol.
He's got no chance that I'm swallowing vinegar.
It says don't drink alcohol.
I'm going to get rid of him first because it's doing me head in. But I'm not swallowing
Don't
vinegar.
chew gum or smoke. Don't eat spicy food.
Or swallow salt.
Don't eat food.
Hey guys, sorry, I had to run before I got run over because it's incredibly foggy, that's why it's so blurry. But I am finally home. I've had like 2.5 drinks with Gareth and then we were supposed to play a pool but we just got comfortable, just sat in Wetherspoons, just having a few drinks and just a chat. So we did end up playing pool. We just ended up to... But it is Bank Holiday Monday and it is... Sorry. Sheffield United at home as well, so... We kind of thought everywhere would be like incredibly busy like the Wetherspoons was. I think that's why we kind of thought not to. So I've still got hiccups. The hiccups have still not gone away. I think that's why we kind of thought not to bother going to play pool because it probably would have been round. These hiccups won't go away. They are doing my head in. But I'm finally home and I really just want to get in and get some sleep, so I'm kind of glad I'm off to. So I was trying to get rid of the hiccups. But it didn't happen. But yeah, I'm so glad I'm off tomorrow because it means I can get a good night's sleep tonight and then not worry about editing the vlog tonight and just edit it tomorrow and get uploaded within the morning. So it means when I get in I can just get some sleep and some food because I had some chicken wings while we were out, but I'm still really hungry because I hadn't eaten since this morning. I just missed a step. But yeah, as you notice as well, I am walking home a different way home because I was walking out, I just missed the tram, and I just thought it's £2 on the bus to get home. I wasn't really that fussed, I'm just going to pay £2 to get home and get home a lot sooner because, like I said, Sheffield United at home, and it means if I got the tram from town and if I waited 20 minutes for the tram from town, it meant I'd have hit all the football fans on the way home and I didn't really want to do that. I just wanted to get home, so I didn't mind paying £2 because I drew some money out to have a few drinks anyway and I had a little bit left over. But for now I really just want to hurry up and get in because it's turned so cold, and as you can tell there's still snow on the floor as well, especially around here, and it's freezing. So like my mum said to me this morning, this coat is probably the best thing I've bought because I bought it just before Christmas and it's so warm, especially in this weather. But I'm going to literally hurry up and get in because I'm free. Alright guys, I'm finally in, finally got some food. It's 7 o'clock at night. So thanks again for watching, I will see you tomorrow as always. Morning again guys, or should I say afternoon because I've literally just woken up. It's like 12:30, but it's only because I've been up literally all night with toothache again. I really used to just get to the dentist about it. So yeah, I literally couldn't sleep most of the night with just toothache. I should be on and off. But I'm gonna get round to get the vlog edited, uploaded. I'm gonna head out to Asda and find something for my dinner. So yeah, first things first.